Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Bing Image Creator. First of all, I will create an image in Bing Image Creator. For example, I will type a car name. I will hit on create. It will start to create my image. I like that image, so I will click on download. So this file or image will be downloaded on my file explorer. From here, I will open a new tab and I will type AI image extender. And I will type FOTOR, FOTOR, and after that you have to click on AI image extender. This website will open. From here you have to click on extend image with AI. You have to select your photo, and from here you have to click on generate. You can also zoom in or zoom out of your photo. I will click on generate, or you can select any custom size. You can pinpoint how many pixels do you want on your picture, and after that you have to click on generate. It will take some time to generate your content. As you can see, my image has been extended. So that's how you can change the aspect ratio in Bing Image Creator. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.